I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Aglasem Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 3, that is pairs of linear equation. So starting with the second exercise, that is 3.2, our first question says from the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution graphically. So first part says 10 students of class 10th took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So here we have to let the number of girls be x and boys be y. So total number of students which are given to us, that is 10. So here we can find the equation, that is x plus y is equal to 10 will be our first equation. So according to the question, we have number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Further, x is equal to y plus 4 will be a second equation. So from equation 1 we can get x is equal to 10 minus y. Here x is 5, 4, 6 and y is 5, 6, 4. From equation 2 we can find x is equal to y plus 4. So here x is 5, 4, 3 and y is 1, 0, minus 1. So I'll show you the graph now. So here is the graph in front of you guys. You can see x-axis and x dash axis, y dash axis and y axis, and here is the starting point which you can say as the origin or 0. So here we have marked 1, 2, 3 to 10 and here the same, and here is the negative marking and here is the negative marking. So here on x axis we have taken 3 and on y dash axis, that is minus axis, we have taken minus 1. Further, on x axis we have taken 4 and on y axis we have taken 0. Further moving, on x-axis we have taken 5 and on y-axis we have taken 1. It will be our first equation. And on second part we have done as 7, that is on x-axis we have taken 7 and on y-axis we have taken 3. Again on x-axis we have taken 6 and on y-axis we have taken 4. On x-axis we have taken 5 and on y-axis we have taken 5. So again the line will mark. So this line will call as equation of x plus y is equal to 10 and this line will call as the equation of x minus y is equal to 4. Second part says 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pen together cost 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and of 1 pen. So again we have to let the cost of pencil be x and a pen be y. So condition 1 says 5x plus 7y is equal to 50, that is this. And second condition says 7x plus 5y is equal to 46, that is this. So by solving the equation we will get x as 3, 10, minus 4, y as 5, 0, 10. And second equation, that is x as 8, 3, minus 2, y as minus 2, 5, 12. So here is a graph in front of you guys. You can see it very clearly that we have taken x-axis and x dash axis, y dash axis and y axis. We have marked the points here. And we have find the equation, that is 7x plus 5y is equal to 46 and 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. So on x-axis we have taken 3 and on y-axis we have taken 5. Again on x-axis we have taken 10 and on y-axis we have taken 0. Here we have taken minus 4 and 10. So on x dash axis we have taken minus 4 and on y-axis we have taken 10. Again on x dash axis we have taken minus 2 and on y axis we have taken 12. So by forming this we have made the graph. Moving to question number 2, which says on comparing the ratios a1 divided by a2, b1 divided by b2 and c1 divided by c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equation intersects at the point are parallel or coincident. So first part says 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So here we have a1 upon a2 is 5 upon 7, that is this one. And b1 upon b2 we have minus 4 plus 6, that is this. And which is equals to minus 2 upon 3. So here a1 divided by a2 is not equals to b1 divided by b2. So that given pairs of linear equation intersect at the point. Second part says 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. So here we have taken A1 upon A2, which is 9 upon 18, that will give you 1 by 2, and B1 upon B2, that is 3 by 6, which is also equals to 1 by 2. C1 upon C2, which is equals to 12 upon 24, again it will give you 1 by 2. So here everything is equal, that is A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2, which is equals to C1 upon C2. So they are coincidence. Third part says 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So again solving it with the same method, here a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, which is not equals to c1 upon c2. So the following pair of linear equations are parallel. Question number 3 says, on comparing ratios a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are considered as inconsistent. So first part says 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So here we have a1 upon a2, that is 3 by 2, and b1 upon b2, that is 2 by minus 3. So that means a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So the pair of linear equations are consistent. Second part says 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. So here a1 upon a2, which is equals to 2 upon 4, which will give you 1 by 2. b1 upon b2, which is equals to minus 3 upon minus 6, again it will give you 1 by 2. And c1 upon c2 is 8 upon 9. So here a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, and they are not equals to c1 upon c2. It means the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. Third part says 3 upon 2x plus 5 upon 3y is equals to 7 and 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. So here we have a1 upon a2, that is 3 upon 2 divided by 9, and b upon b2 is equals to 5 upon 3 divided by minus 10, which will give you 1 upon 6 and minus 1 upon 6. So it means they are consistent. Fourth part says 5x minus 3y is equals to 11 and minus 10x plus 6y is equals to minus 22. Again solving with the same method, we will find a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, and they are equals to 2 c1 upon c2. It means they are consistent. Fifth part says 4 upon 3x plus 2y is equals to 8 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Here a1 upon a2 is 4 upon 3 divided by 2, which will give you 2 by 3. b1 upon b2, that is 2 by 3. c1 upon c2 is 8 upon 12, which will give you 2 by 3. It means they are consistent because they are all equal. So guys, we will continue the rest of the question in another video. If you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Aglasem Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.